longest snake on Earth can reach lengths longer than most homes. The reticulated python holds the title for the longest snake on the planet. The longest individuals have been recorded at lengths of up to 30 feet, making them a truly remarkable feat of nature. But it's not just their length that captures our fascination. It's the strength, adaptability, and mystery of these giants. Native to Southeast Asia, the reticulated python is a master of its environment. Reticulated pythons continue to grow throughout their lives, but their growth slows as they age. These snakes can reach jaw-dropping lengths, with the longest recorded individual stretching to a massive 32 feet. These snakes are not just long, they're also powerful, capable of constricting and swallowing prey far larger than their heads. In the wild, these solitary hunters are experts in camouflage, using their intricate patterns to blend in with the jungle floor. With patience and precision, they strike when the moment is right. Their ability to silently move through dense vegetation, combined with their impressive strength, makes them one of nature's most efficient predators. If you found this fascinating and would like to hear more incredible animal stories, don't forget to subscribe, and see you